Today we have the Dualtron X2 scooter. This is the top of the line. This is the beast. X2, this is $6,500 is what you're looking at more or less for this guy. Dualtron claims that this is the beast of the lineup, so if you want the heaviest, the biggest, the fastest, up to 55 miles an hour. I think we could take it to work on the highway probably, huh? So we're gonna start off by opening it up. This is my handy box cutter. Okay. Tons of packaging. It looks like it's fully assembled, which is good because you don't have to spend as much time having to open stuff up and assemble it and whatnot. You just get straight to it. So you might not have to assemble, but you might have to disassemble it to actually get it out of the box, right?
Right.
Okay. So we pause the video so we can get this box flipped over. That's the most practical way. You definitely want at least 2 people to do this. We're actually gonna have to pause it again so that we can do this between 2s. We got the box off. Again, the scooter, 330-pound capacity. You can put an NFL linebacker on this thing. These are some hardcore zip ties. This is the big one.
Yeah. So
this thing is a vehicle. 55 miles an hour.
55.
It's like a Tesla. 100-mile range. I don't know how much you can see in the camera, but this thing is massive. 135 pounds. It's a massive scooter. The levers feel nice. They're sturdy. The grips are nice. Feels heavy duty. In the boxes, user manual. In here, it looks like we got a small transformer for the battery. In this box, looks like this is the main charger. So this is how we get the battery up faster. You got two on one side. You see here behind these rubber guys. You got 2 of these 3-prong plugs, and then we got 1 on this side. Depending on how many you got plugged in at the same time is gonna determine how quickly your battery goes up. It looks like in here, looks like this might be a remote to control some of the lighting, I would guess. Up top here, this is gonna be where we actually see our speed and our power levels. They call it the iThrottle LCD instrument panel. And then you got your sub-battery voltmeter in green. And then in blue, you've got your main battery voltmeter. Inside, you got your USB. If you want to charge a phone, you can index finger throttle. I guess I don't want you to use your middle finger up here, index only. Okay, and then here we've got all of our controls. We've got a headlight control, horn. This is a hazard light. And this is a mode switcher for the engine. And of course we got your turn signals down on the bottom as well. Okay, nice. So you pull your brake lever and it looks like it triggers lights. Let the person behind you know that you're braking. On the actual standing area here, we got some nice grippy grip tape. And then you got the 2 engines, right? You got 1 engine in the rear, and then you've also got the front motor. You see we got a couple of buttons. Sub battery button, LED light button. So if you want to turn on the lights, bang, we got lights all over the place. Front, sides, rear in the back. Your headlight here. And obviously this headlight, you mount it up here so it'll be in its upright position. And this thing, I mean, it's lighting up. It's a freaking spotlight, that thing. Optional seat, so you can actually mount a seat if you want to add some additional comfort. Here we got our rear suspension, rear fenders, 13-inch tires, tubeless tires. Take on some big rocks. The Dualtron X2, she's a beast. It's a 135-pound scooter, so it's not light by any means, but it's got the big engines. It's got the ABS braking system. It comes fully loaded with your lighting package, your LED headlight. This is truly the top of the line. If you want the beast of electric scooters, this is what Dualtron's got to offer. Now guys, be sure, if you have any questions, give us a call, 786-242-5400. The current lead time on these scooters is about 1 to 2 weeks, and we are not charging you any shipping. Normally these guys, big boxes, you're looking at like a $500 shipping charge. We've got it free, so be sure to check those out online. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're going to be rolling out content. Keep yourself in the loop on all of the newest products and accessories. My name is Alex at Accessories International. Thanks for tuning in today.